Hi! So, in this video, we're gonna talk about 5 reasons you don't have anything to wear. Okay, number 1. You buy too many trendy pieces and when shopping, you don't think about your personal style. Number 2. You buy too many pieces for specific occasions that don't go with the rest of the items you already have in your wardrobe. Number 3. You don't have enough basics that go with a lot of other things. This is why a capsule wardrobe is essential. Number 4, you're buying quantity over quality. And number 5, you hold on to clothes that no longer fit you or suit you. It's time to do a little cleansing. And this is my outfit for today. See you soon.